A love poem brought to life. A beautiful bride with three stunning looks. Which one will capture your heart? Are you excited to see her? Then keep on watching.
Hey sassy people! Welcome to another unboxing episode here in Sassy Models channel. Today, we are going to unbox Poème, Vanessa Perrin Gift Set doll. Without further ado, let us now open this box. This gift set is the 4th W Club exclusive from Integrity Toy Last 2024. Designed by Jessie Ayala. A beautiful bride showcasing her elegance and beauty. This comes with certificate of authenticity with edition size of 2020. This side of the box you will find the base of the doll stand. And this side, you will find the saddle stand. Now, let's take her out of the box. And now she's here! I love the beauty of this doll. She's my very first redhead Vanessa and my first bridal fashion doll. Her bridal gown is so beautifully made. From her mermaid train, the peplum detail, all the lace and the fine stitching are just stunning. Now let's remove the hairnet. Wow! Her hair has some gel or product, maybe just enough to keep the style in place. But it might need a little touch up to make it softer and even more fabulous. This doll has the body type of FR 6.0 with skin tone of Japan and a hair color of golden copper and with hand applied eyelashes. Here are the accessories that comes with this doll.
I never knew it could be so easy. I never thought it could be so true. But every time I close my eyes, I feel a piece in me rise. I never knew love could be so healing. I never thought I could learn to feel. But when we're standing side by side, well, there's no darkness left to hide. And I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. And I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart. There are no words to describe this feeling of what it means to now be one. Nothing could ever keep apart, forever cherishing your heart. And So I give you my hand. Ooh, I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. So I give you my hand. Ooh, I know that I'm falling so fast for you, right into your arms. So I give you and I just wanna love you well with all that I am. So I give you my heart.
Here's the complete look of Pomme d'Amour, Vanessa Perrin Gift Set doll.
For me, she's 100% sassy. So there we have it, guys. What do you think? Is she a must-have or a pass? Please comment down below. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And make sure to hit that little bell button to receive our latest update. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Here's the comment of the day. Thank you.